Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. Came across this when I was browsing around, looking around, and we found Red Willow Waterfall. We're just chilling up here above it, or what piece of it is, I don't know. Can't really tell. I really should have brought my drone, but it is so windy out here. We got some pretty big gusts of wind, so I didn't feel like bringing my drone. I was gonna shove it in my pocket and bring it. Apparently the waterfalls are down there, and there's a trail over here, so I'm gonna go keep going around, check it out. This looks like a little beautiful spot. It's too bad there's no way in here, because this is public land. Looks like somebody's been out here, had a campfire. But there's no way in here that I could easily tell anyways, because there's a whole bunch of trees and deep mud paths. We're gonna follow this trail and go see if we can find that waterfall. So now we're not on a quad trail, we're on an actual trail. That descent was brutal though, and I'm not looking forward to the ascension of this trail, but that's all right. We're out here to have some fun, explore. So, according to the map, there's another waterfall over here. "60 kilometers per hour. Just barely got cell service just because I wanted to check, because there's a huge valley here and I'd love to just see a little bit more of it, but unfortunately it's just so windy. So yeah, we're gonna get out of here, take off and go to the next location. See you guys there. Just like that, we roll over into British Columbia, not even 10 minutes down the road. Crownland. Camping spot. Ready to go. And there's a creek right there. Let's go check it out. Oh, I found one of those wall-less outhouses. Strange. Not that I need to use it, but there's an outhouse here. I'm just parked just over there. And there's a creek just over there. You always come across these random things out in the bush, eh? As long as I don't come across a bear, I guess we're good. There's the creek. And that's where I am, parked just up there. Well, I just started listening to my audiobook and just totally lost track of time. The wind has just been howling most of the day, and the temperature dropped a couple degrees. I'm just gonna eat some dinner, watch my TV show, catch a few Z's, and we'll catch you guys early in the morning when we head off to our next location. Okay guys, I caught some Z's. I'm all rested up. I'm just making a cup of tea. Let's hit the road and see what else we can find. Found a trail. Let's go check it out. I have no idea what's down here other than it looks like a lake. Let's go check it out. See if there's anything cool. It's called Long Lake. 450 meter easy trail to Long Lake leads to a picnic table on a promenade overlooking the lake. I look for moose, elk, bear, beaver, and other mammals, and for waterfowl. It doesn't look like anybody's been around for a while. It's got branches all over the trail, but let's go check it out. It looks like these are all snail shells. Like thousands of them. They're just scattered everywhere. Pretty neat. Well, not much to see here. I mean, this would be a nice place to camp. No camping here. Just a nice little 2-minute walk from the road. You get a little picnic table, a little place for a fire, and that's pretty much it. All right, well, let's go off, find the next location. This is pretty cool. So we're just chilling here. We found Red Willow Rec Site. It's got a picnic table, fireplace, and an outhouse. I'm just gonna pull out the Starlink, check something, because this is the only site here. So maybe there's a site over there, maybe there's a site across the river. I don't know. But this is Red Willow River, I believe it is. And we're gonna go make some lunch. So according to this, it says there's one campsite and 4 camp pads. I don't know where those camp pads are. Maybe they're across there, over there, I don't know. Gaia says there's a picnic table down the road, but there's no way I'm gonna get my van down there. It's way too many branches. And across the creek there's something over there, but it doesn't say anything across the road. So we'll go check that spot and that spot out. This spot by foot, we'll probably go park over there. So we'll go check it out in a minute. But when I was looking at the maps, you can switch from default to satellite, and then you can actually see, looks like across the river just down the road there's a spot, and there might be something over here across the road. So we'll just have some lunch and then we'll go take a look, see what we can find. So today for lunch I'm going to make Vanlife breakfast wraps. I've already got the breakfast sausage frying up in the frying pan, and now I'm going to slice and dice my onion and throw it in the frying pan and fry it up with my sausage. Fried onions. And a little trick I've learned from the hiking community, I'm going to use a little bit diluted vinegar to clean my knife, my cutting board, and put it all away. Once the breakfast sausage and the onions all nice and fried up, you add some egg, a little bit of salt and pepper, and put the cheese on top just for that delicious taste. Now, just like a good McDonald's employee, you throw a little bit of egg and sausage and cheese on your wrap. You wrap it up and you got yourself a McDonald's breakfast wrap. That's so good. I want some more now. Okay, now that my tummy's not growling at me anymore, I'm gonna go for my walk. So according to Gaia, there's a picnic table right in front of us. And this is a road. Not a road I'd be taking my van on without like half a day worth of work of clearing brush. No way, man. So there's supposed to be a picnic table right here. I honestly don't see a picnic table. That's what it says. We literally just passed it. No picnic table. Move on. Let's go explore across the road. We'll pick up Starlink and then we'll head over there. This looks like a really cool area. It's on Crownland. It's right beside a wreck site. There's quite a few places that you can cross the river. It looks like a pretty shallow river. I could cross that if I wanted to in the van, but we're going to move on to the next location. But this, I would definitely pin this as a place to go in the future. Come on, people. Take your garbage with you. I don't know why people insist on burning pallets. I know they're free, but it's not hard to find free firewood out in the bush. So why you need to bring treated wood with nails in it when that should be chopped up with a chipper so that the magnet can collect the nails. And then this doesn't happen, where you find people going out with buckets and magnets and bringing home hundreds of pounds of nails. Looks like there's some free firewood here, but I don't really have space to carry it. And there's snow. I've pretty much looked around. It's a pretty cool area. I like it. But we're gonna head off to the next location slowly. Sure. What a place to be. Northern BC, flat, windy, but at least it feels a little bit more comfortable. Not that I'm saying Alberta's a bad thing, it's just, it's easier to find campsites. Easier to find campsites. There's a lot of free campsites out there, and I don't understand why they gotta lock up places like that. But to be fair, I mean, there is garbage laying around. This isn't the cleanest campsite in the world. There's a few logs laying around. I probably could use for firewood. If the wind does die down, I can go grab some water and legally have a campfire. So that's a bonus. But I'm gonna enjoy my time here. Maybe I'll see a beaver, a little beaver dam over there. Pull out a book, read a book, hang out. I hope you guys get out in nature and have some fun camping too, like I am. I mean, I live for this. This is so nice to be able to do this, and I'm very lucky to be able to do this. So please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.